Hey guys, it's Dr. Curry here with a quick tutorial on how I would like for you to upload your speech materials. So you'll see here you've got a speech this week and it is your theme song introductory speech. Every speech that you do is going to require a few things to be uploaded. One, first and foremost, which is the purpose of this video, is a link to the speech. Now, I know some of you out there right now are thinking, oh my God, why do we have to link a copy of the speech? Can't you just go find it on the Facebook page? Yes, Karen, I could go find it on the Facebook page. However, that doesn't make my life easy. Any given week, I'm grading. I have 56 students in public speaking classes right now, in addition to the other courses that I'm teaching. So every week I'm grading 56 speeches, watching them, grading them, and then providing individualized student feedback so you can get better. So please follow the guidelines, help me out with this. It makes my life much easier. So you'll see here that I ask you to upload a link to the video. I'm going to show you an easy way that you can do that. So for instance, here is my YouTube video for understanding speech anxiety, one of my prior lessons for you guys. And there's a few easy things that we can do here, or that I can do. One, I can just right click on the video and I'm going to copy the embed code, because I don't want you to just provide a link. I want you to embed the video within D2L so that it's easier for me to access, view it, and grade it. So I can right click and then select copy embed code, and that will give me the code. Depending upon your computer system, PC, Mac, you may have an issue with that. So you can also just always click share on your video, whatever the link for your video is. Click embed and then copy that embed code. So either one of those options is going to give you the actual embed code. Then we're going to go back and let me go to the observer view for the class. So this is how you would see it on your end. Go to course activities, select assignments, and then you'll see the drop box for the different assignments for our class. So I'm going to go into the Your Song introduction speech, outline and video link, and then here I'm going to select this icon here, the insert stuff. Once I select that, you will see the enter embed code. When I select that and then paste that code from my prior that I just got from YouTube and click next, it will actually insert a copy of your video into D2L, which is very nice for me, because then when I go in and select the Dropbox and start grading, I don't have to go to Facebook and look for your video. I don't have to click links and open those links in external windows and then go back and forth to D2L to grade. It will simply play your video right here in the window while I grade and provide feedback. So this allows me to provide feedback to you as a student in a much faster manner. And so please follow these guidelines for submission of your materials. You will also have your outline and your reference page that is due for your speeches. Now, there is no reference page for this your speech or your song speech. However, an outline is required. So I'm just going to click add file. I'm going to find that file. I'll add it here. So let's say this is it. Click add, and now it's got my outline. I would do that for my reference page and then the link. So all your materials are there. So you'll see here, this is how it would show on my end when I go to grade. So instead of clicking links or trying to go to Facebook and find it, all I have to do is click
Hi, I'm Dr.
play, and it's all right there in one window. So that's a quick tutorial of how you embed your video into D2L to meet the requirements for the assignment. Thanks so much.